life is so funny. You come with nothing, then fight for everything, and later leave everything and go back with empty hand. God is powerful.
Sàlẹ̀ àná awúgbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ àyọ̀sọ tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi jẹ olórí ikọ̀ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Ìjẹ́ wọ́n ti bá yín sọ tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n má fi lọ yín iṣẹ́ máa gbà.
Èmi ò jẹ orí Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kankan mi. Ohun tí mò ń fà lọ́sí èmi ò ní di Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kọ́mọ̀ fi ní jẹ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kankan. Ohun tèmi ń sọ ni pé Fúlàní agbénipa ti ń pa àwọn bàbá wa, àwọn àǹtí wa tó ń rí fún wọn tó ń jí wọn gbé, wọ́n fi ilẹ̀ bàbá wa lẹ̀, wọ́n jẹ́ ká gbégbé àlàáfíà lórí ilẹ̀ bàbá wa. Ohun tèmi ń fà ni èmi ò ní di political appointment kankan tàbí ẹgbẹ́ oyè kankan lọ́dọ̀ ẹni kankan. Mi ò dẹ̀ ní di owó kankan lọ́dọ̀ ẹni kankan pé kí wọ́n fi fún mi. Mi ìyọsọ so ohun tèmi ń sọ ni pé wọ́n jẹ́ ká àlàáfíà wà fáwọn fámìlì wa lórí ilẹ̀ wa.
Work for President Ahmed Bola Tinubu and he will succeed. Anybody who is planning for it to fail, the person had already. He just to come and say hello to my father. I've congratulated him before this time and to give a word of support for what he has achieved and what he has done so far. And I know that Nigeria had changed. Nigeria had turned 360 degrees in the positive direction. When I'm speaking about the president, I'm speaking from a personal point of view. I will do everything, I can stake everything to make my father, in quote, succeed. And that is a promise I've given to myself and a promise I've given to him. Oil theft will be stopped. There'll be zero oil theft in the Niger Delta. Inshallah. Thank you.
My people, how are they now? This one a matter we be say we just won't bring down. Make all of na the year. Aki gbogbo yin lolufe wa pátápátá tete ma wo. Then now they ask me say why they frown my face. Make we reason some matter. And I beg, I go want make una also share am for the comment section. Between Asari Dokubo and Sunday Igboho, one artist say they're supposed to be pursue now. You don't understand? Because normally we don't know say Sunday Igboho in the always dey for the back of the Yorubas. You understand? And they support some people will be saying they be masses, they will say they go through some things. Now the matter now be say our president Baba Tinubu, he no want maybe say he no want hear anything wey concern Sunday Igboho based on the matter wey say that they drag wey we no know. Now the guy mama don die, una no still wan gree make the man come bury mama. And meanwhile Asari Dokubo for social for the social media him go carry gun, he go dey shoot gun, he dey do anyhow, go with body guys, dey threaten this, threaten that. President no dey see that one o. No be my own judge to judge because with who I be just normal person wey be say we dey bring am how the matter dey be. Abeg make una share una opinion for the comment section. Make una also share this video. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi Baba Sunday Igboho lẹ̀ o, wọ́n fẹ́ fi wọ́n lẹ̀ o. Make una hear wetin Baba Sunday Igboho dey talk, how he dey express himself. Person mama don die, you know, I'm not sure say the guy see him mama before he die. No, Yoruba only mommy to cool. Now the guy mama don die now. He no fit still come out freely because of wetin. You see, some people dey dey after him. Security, police, they know they allow am rest. The person una supposed to dey go, the person una supposed to dey go after, una no go after am. Na Sunday Igboho. Abeg, make una share this thing for the comment section. One artist say they supposed to dey pursue. Because this matter no one understand me again. Abeg, if you know say you be Ijile Yoruba and you be Ijile Benin, abi whatever, make we also hear am for the comment section. Share this video. Make people dey see am. The guy no fit live freely, no fit do anything freely. And I remember say this guy dey fight for human rights. He dey fight for people's rights. Why be say Naija we no dey like to dey support people wey be say they fight for people human rights?
Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kankan mi ohun tí mo ń fà lọ sí èmi ò nídìí àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kọ́mọ̀ fi ní jẹ àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kankan ohun tèmi ń sọ ni pé Fúlàní agbénipa ti ń pa àwọn bàbá wa àwọn àǹtí wa tó ń rìpù wọn tó ń jí wọn gbé wọn fi ilẹ̀ bàbá wa lẹ̀ wọ́n jẹ́ ká gbégbé àlàáfíà lórí ilẹ̀ bàbá wa ohun tèmi ń fà nìyẹn mi ò nídìí political appointment kan tàbí ẹgbẹ́ oyè kankan lọ́dọ̀ ẹni kankan mi ò dẹ̀ nídìí owó kankan lọ́dọ̀ ẹni kankan pé kí wọ́n fi fún mi mi ò yọ sọ so ohun tèmi ń sọ ni pé wọ́n jẹ́ kálàáfíà wà fáwọn fámìlì wa lórí ilẹ̀ wa sọ fún mi ó tẹ́
oríṣiríṣi àwòrán làwọn ṣe gbọ́.
ohun tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ ni pé bí pólíò bá pa ní torí olè pa ní àwọn tí wọ́n wá ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn tí kò bá lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kan nínú tí wọ́n ń sọ̀pọ̀tì àwọn Fúlàní agbénipa yẹn nínú wọn ò lè já wá sí old house mi yẹn so ìyẹn mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀.
Why be say we no dey fight for people, we no dey try to support people wey dey fight for human rights? Now the guy no fit become bury mama. Abeg we dey beg una. When be say una be president, una be this thing, make na beg, make this guy come bury mama. Make we give am this last respect. Abeg my people, make you share am for the comment section too. Abi ṣe fẹ́ pé Sunday Igboho bury mama ẹ̀.
Abeg, I respect this man Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, and I go want maybe say make una also show am that respect in case una know wetin this man sef go through. Una remember say normal the man dey alright by himself. He with him family dey live well for Germany, but based on the fact say he just hear some kind things about kidnappers, they do this, people go Fulani go they kill Yoruba people, they do this, they destroy their farm, they do this, they rape women and all those things. Now he can't stand though, come say enough is enough, and he can't even call some attention of people wey be say they be king, all those one wey be say they be prominent people for the land. Say make they support and make they even join man for this kind matter, so that all this killing and all this Fulani men go stop. But if let's say the thing they no support him, they just leave the guy, make only him they run the thing by himself. And with some people wey be say they dey abroad for all this Yoruba nation, my people, and so him just they run all these things him alone. Now they don't destroy the guy house, he himself don dey hang for Cotonou, and ever since then this matter no fit just come like that for Naija. Everybody make una just see now, expect the fact say this guy hang for Cotonou, him mama corpse still dey, he no fit come bury mama because of all the katakata wey be say the guy just dey, he hang for Cotonou. Abeg my people, make we just beg the governor, be the prominent people for this country, make they allow am come bury mama, cause as the matter be, we no sure say the guy see mama before the mama die. But the thing wey be say e come shock me pass, wey we want make we talk about be say asari dokubo, he don do worse things, and he no do things wey be say he reach that of Oloye Sunday Igboho. Make una hear this video abeg.
Na turn by turn, oh. Na jagaban turn, oh. Turn by turn. I beg you, wait for your turn. Come on. Turn by turn, oh. Na jagaban turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. I beg you, say na turn by turn, oh. Na jagaban turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. I beg you wait for your turn. I beg you wait for your turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. Na jagaban turn, oh. Turn by turn, oh. I beg you wait for your turn. If you do anyhow, you say anyhow. If you do anyhow, you say anyhow. If you do anyhow, you say anyhow.
I don hear wetin him talk for this video wey we just play for na so. He say say na Tinubu turn now. Say anybody wey do, he go collect woto. If una even remember so, na so him take go Aso Rock, go tell Oga Tinubu say make him jail Nnamdi Kanu. Only Asari Dokubo get him own arm if I say for this country, and nobody fit challenge am. Na so he himself dey display AK-47 gun for social media. Nobody arrest am o. Now we be say Sunday Igboho wey dey fight for the masses, he come dey for exile now. Abeg, our president and Yoruba in the Yoruba nation, Sunday Igboho na Yoruba, and I beg Baba Tinubu, I beg am say make he pardon Sunday Igboho, make him come do him mama normal burial wey they do, wey pikin dey do for him mama. So I beg, it's for too much. I go like make una also tell this one, make we echo this thing together for the comment section. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Baba Sunday Igboho, ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sìn ya, ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sòkun ya. Òun bó ṣe wà yìí sì kó lè lọ kó lọ rí àwọn family ní Germany. Everybody just dey, but Sunday wetin dey call am asari dokubo. He just dey insult people anyhow. Wọn kàn rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí yẹn. He even dey arrest people, dey do. I beg my people, make una no forget, share this video and make una also share the opinion wey we say we talk about for the comment section, because Sunday Igboho don try for Yoruba people. I need to stop all this suffering and silence, everything. It is well.
Oníṣẹ́ lápá.